First, we're going to begin by painting our gift box using the spray paint color of your choice. I didn't bother to remove the sticker because in the end it really won't matter, and I'm going to be covering up the bottom of the box. So truly, I didn't even need to spray paint the bottom of the box either. This is what your box should look like once you finish spray painting a couple of coats, letting them dry in between. Next, we're going to spray paint our letter. I, of course, am using a V for my name, Viren, and I am spray painting it gold. I didn't really give this any dry time. I just went ahead and sprayed it because it's such a small surface, and let the spray paint do what it do. Next, I decided it's not going to be a project if it doesn't have some type of shine or glitter. So I added these two colors of glitter to my letter right after spray painting it, gold and silver. There was really no rhyme or reason when I was adding it. I just sprinkled it over until I was satisfied. Make sure that you take into account wind if you're working outside, which you should be since you are using spray paint. Next, we're going to assemble everything together. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of hot glue to the bottom and hot gluing the lid to the bottom of the box. And then I'm going to also hot glue my burlap ribbon around the box. I've already pre-measured and cut this out. Now it's time to hot glue your initial. I'm going to hot glue it on the side where the two pieces of the burlap ribbon meet. This way it'll cover that imperfection up. Add a generous amount of hot glue to the back of your initial and hot glue it directly on top of the seam, lining up the bottom of the initial with the bottom of the box. And here is what your initial gratitude holder should look like. I think this is really cute. I love the colors that I chose. And this box is just a way for me to keep things in perspective with all the things that are going on in the world today, between the fight for our lives daily as Black people, as well as this virus that is ramping up for a second wave. I just want to take a moment each day to take the time and think on the things that I am grateful for, and having this cute little holder to hold them will allow me at the end of this year to look back and think of all of the things that I still have to be grateful for. Thank you guys for watching this week. I really appreciate you sticking along with me. Leave me a comment down below letting me know some things that you are grateful for. Also, I'd be really grateful if you would subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, like this video, and share it with a friend. I really hope you guys are being safe, happy, and healthy wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a great day. Stay creating. Love you guys. Bye.